Hi guys, this is Doomleaf here, and in this video we are going to make a 3D effect. So it's not 3D actually, it's 2D, but it will look like 3D. So let's start. First of all, we have to take an ellipse like this. Now give it a gradient. So let's suppose I am taking a nice blue, then red, and then yellow. So you can create your own gradient and now adjust it as you want. Now we have to duplicate it, so press Alt on your keyboard and drag it like this. Now select both. Now go to Object, then Blend, and then Blend Options. In Blend Options you have to choose this option is Specified Steps and its amount about 2000. Then press OK. Then again go to Object, then Blend, then Make. So our ellipse will look like this. Now select pen curvature tool and make a path. I am doing it randomly. You can make your designs as you want and you can edit this later. I think it's fine. Now remove the fill and add stroke so it can be visible. Now select both and then go to Object, then Blend, then replace spine. So our 3D effect is ready. You can also create text with it. If you have pen tablet, then it will be a little easier for you. So now select again pen curvature tool and you can just edit it like this. So I am making it a little smoother. You can experiment with it and make amazing designs. And if you really like this video, then please subscribe, like and comment. You can suggest me what I have to improve. So thank you, this is all, and we will meet in the next video.